What if DJI's next FPV drone completely changes the Avata lineup and isn't even the drone we're expecting? Over the past few weeks, leaks around the DJI Avata 3 have exploded online. Bigger camera rumors, faster speeds, better flight time, and even whispers that DJI might delay it in favor of something even more ambitious. So is the Avata 3 actually coming, or is DJI quietly preparing a surprise launch that could shake up FPV flying as we know it? Today, we're breaking down every insider detail you need to know. So if you're thinking about buying an FPV drone, you'll definitely want to watch this before making a decision. Let's get into the upgrades, because this is where things get exciting. One of the biggest rumored changes is the camera sensor. The Avata 2 already made improvements, but Avata 3 could go even further with a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. If this turns out to be true, we're looking at noticeably better low-light performance, cleaner night footage, and improved dynamic range, something FPV pilots have been asking for a long time. Video specs are also expected to get a boost. Leaks suggest 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, which would be huge for cinematic FPV shots and ultra-smooth slow motion. Combine that with DJI's latest stabilization tech, and Avata 3 could easily become one of the best ready-to-fly FPV drones for content creators. Design-wise, the Avata 3 is rumored to keep the ducted prop Cinewhoop-style body, but with refinements. Some leaks mention a shift to 4-blade propellers instead of 3, which could improve stability, efficiency, and control, especially during aggressive maneuvers or indoor flying. Flight performance is another area where DJI may be stepping things up. Rumors point to slightly longer flight times, possibly pushing beyond the 25-minute mark depending on how you fly. Top speed could also increase, with some reports suggesting speeds well above 140 kilometers per hour in manual mode. That would make Avata 3 not just cinematic, but seriously fast. Connectivity and transmission are also expected to improve. The Avata 3 may use an upgraded O3 Plus or next-gen DJI transmission system, delivering higher bitrate live video with lower latency. That means a clearer, more responsive FPV feed, especially important for freestyle pilots and high-speed flying. Of course, all of this would likely pair with new or updated DJI goggles and controllers, though DJI will probably keep backward compatibility where possible. Expect better resolution, smoother frame rates, and possibly enhanced head tracking features. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the DJI Avata 360 rumors. Some leaks suggest that what people originally thought was Avata 3 footage might actually belong to a completely different drone, a 360-degree FPV hybrid designed to compete with Insta360's upcoming drone tech. If that's true, DJI could be spacing out releases, launching Avata 360 first and saving Avata 3 for later. Let's talk about the release timeline. Recent leaks suggest that the Avata 3 might be pushed into early 2026, mainly because DJI appears to be focusing heavily on another project, possibly a new Avata-branded 360 drone. That said, Avata 3 development doesn't seem canceled, just delayed. So where does that leave us? Right now, the Avata 3 looks like a real product in development, but possibly not DJI's immediate priority. When it does launch, it's expected to bring meaningful upgrades in camera quality, speed, stability, and FPV performance, without abandoning the beginner-friendly DNA that made the Avata series so popular. If you're waiting for a compact FPV drone that blends cinematic quality with serious performance, the Avata 3 is definitely worth keeping an eye on.